How to downgrade the Chase Sapphire Reserve to the preferred card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before discussing who should consider downgrading their Chase Sapphire Reserve cards, let's go over to the straightforward process of downgrading. So here's how you can do it. First of all, call the number on the back of your Chase Sapphire Reserve card and follow the automated prompts to reach a representative who can assist with the account changes. And when you connect with the representative, state that you want to downgrade your Chase Sapphire Reserve card. Choose the card you would like to downgrade to, and the representative will provide you with the important information, and your downgrade will be processed once you give your approval. And if you do not plan to use your card frequently, consider setting up requiring subscriptions like Netflix, Hulu, or Spotify on it. And if you're unsure about closing your Chase Sapphire Reserve card, ask a representative about any retention offers that might be available. So this was all about it. This is how you can downgrade the Chase Sapphire Reserve to preferred. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.